Hi everyone, hi my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again. My name is Lois Nichols. All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we showcase good plant-based organic products that are non-toxic, products that are herbal, made from pure natural ingredients. Our products include beauty care products, healthcare supplements, personal lifestyle products, your everyday necessities. We also provide food and fashion, okay? So if you love good things, you love plant-based products, you love organic products, welcome to my page. Then you will love my page, all right? We, as Nikki Beauty Product Health and Beauty Products, we are made up of over 300 global distributors. I mean, global distributors of Atomy products. So if you want to be one of our global distributors, you know what to do. Send me a TM, okay? Text me, okay? And you could be on your way to financial freedom, all right? Creating and building a system income, okay, that will speak for you when you need it, if you know what I mean. All right, so we are all building system income. We are building generational wealth, okay, transferable to 3 generations after us. That's why we call it generational wealth, okay? And what better time to start being one of our global distributors? What better time than now? Come on, hop in, join us, send that text, send that DM, okay? Guess what? It's free to join my team of global distributors, okay? People always ask me, where do you find the energy, Lois, to do everything you do? Wow, how do you juggle everything together? Full-time job, you're a center leader, you're also a diamond master with Atomy UK, and you have 2 lovely children, and how do you juggle everything together? How do you find the strength to do all of this, okay? First and foremost, I give all the glory to God, because if God did not preserve me and give me life, I wouldn't even have the strength we're talking about, okay? So all the glory, first and foremost, go to God. But you know what? Sometimes we carry out all our daily chores, all our activities, everything. We go to work, we do school run, we do children, we do everything. Oh my gosh, the things we do to this body, okay? And then you come back, you're so exhausted, you're drained. Literally, you're drained. I have been there, I feel it, I know it, okay? So if you've been there, please leave me a comment. Say, I feel you, lady. I know what you're talking about. I mean, you're so drained, you're so tired, you're so exhausted because you've emptied yourself. Especially if you're in jobs like counseling, or you're in jobs that are like police job, or you know, all these jobs that you are actually giving out every day to people. You're giving out mentally, you're giving out emotionally, you're giving out, you know. So you come back home, you're so drained. Why not do yourself a favor? Because when I get so drained and so like, ooh, I just take a glass of Hongsamdan. I kid you not. This does the magic, okay? And then it bursts. You get that energy surge back, and you keep going. And people are asking you, oh, blah, 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 blah. How do you do it? And you just smile at them, okay? Tell them to go get Atomy Hongsamdan, okay? I'm going to show you, that's the pack, okay? And this is how it looks like. This is what I use. All those who have been asking, how do you manage to juggle everything together? It's Hongsamdan. And it comes in lovely, easy to go, handy sachets like this, okay? So, 1 a day, okay? Don't get greedy. Sometimes I hear people take 2 a day. Don't get greedy. 1 a day is enough. It does the job, okay? Put my water, okay? I like my water hot, you know, or at least a bit warm. So I don't know about you, but this is how I like mine. Okay. I hear some people even use cold water. They just want it like ice cold, you know. But sometimes if you use cold water, it's not going to dissolve because they're like granules, you know. They're like tiny granules, okay. So it might not dissolve, okay. So I feel better using warm water or just, you know. So put it in, okay. All right, and then we stir it. Ooh. Ooh, by the time you're done with this, trust me, by the time you're done with this, you'll be like, oh, you know, and you're good to go again. Literally, you're good to go again, okay? So, you want to taste it? You want to try it with me? No, you can't. No, I get to try it. You get to watch me try it. If you want to try it, then send a DM. I'll tell you how you can get this delivered straight to your door. How about that? So watch me try it. Oh, ooh, ooh. I love the aroma. Okay, let's go. Ooh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It just goes like, whew, when you're taking it, you just feel it and give yourself a few minutes. You start getting that boost, that energy boost, you know, and you're able to carry on. You're able to carry on. You're able to carry on. Don't mind me, I play a lot. But guys, this is what I take, okay? One a day. Okay, you can either have it as a morning drink or you can have it as an afternoon kind of lunch kind of drink, or you can have it lasting in the night, okay? If I don't do it in the morning, have it in the morning. I like to have it lasting at night. I'm just about going to bed, so I just thought a good cup will be good for me. But preferably, I do more mornings, okay? Because early in the morning, you want that energy boost, don't you? Not at night. At night, you really want to be sleeping, you know? So I do it more in the mornings, okay? So I'm just good to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to face the world. I'm ready to do what I have to do, you know? So, yeah, good one to watch out for. Atomy Hongsamdan, okay? Made from 100% Korean Red Ginseng. 100% Korean Red Ginseng, okay? I'm waiting for your DMs. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around in my next video.